أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Bakar Ali, and today I will tell you about how to create a user and grant permission to that user in SQL Server. So, for this purpose, first you have to connect to your local database, and then you have to come to the security. And in security, you have to right click on login, then click on new login, and over here you can create by two different methods. One is the Windows authentication, the another one is the SQL Server authentication. So if the user is already available in the Active Directory, you can write his name and then search for the Windows authentication. But if the user is not available, then what you have to do, you have to click on SQL Server Authentication and provide a password for them. So you can do it very easily, and you have to write a password over here. Then you have to write confirm password. So this is an easy way. By default, the database is master, and you can give him some permission. So in order to give permission, and you like there will be many databases and you can give permission to a specific DB. Like for example, in my case I'm giving permission to Bakar to Adventure Bus data warehouse. And as you can see over here, we have different kinds of roles like data reader, data writer, uh, DDL admin, and also you can assign DB owner who has all the required permission, who is also capable to give these permission to some other body. And then, as you can see over here, I'm already specifying this user over here. So you have to just click OK, and it says that the password and the confirmed password field does not match. So come here over here and give me the password again. Once more. And then click on OK. So my user is successfully created. Now, if I want to connect with this user, I can connect with it. I have to write the login name as Bakar, and then I have to provide password. And if you want, you can check remember password. So whenever you want to connect with it, so you can easily connect. Login field again for user. What why that's happened? So let me check that why it occurred. Uh, use connect. Uh, what's the error behind it? So you can see the error, and it says. Okay, so let's start again over here. So actually I was providing incorrect password. So now we are able to connect with the okay. So it is giving me again this error that login failed for user car. So what I have to do, I have to cancel it for now, and I have to make some changes to the properties of this instance. So right click over here and then go to properties. And in the property, we have an option of security in which currently we have only Windows authentication mode. So in order to enable SQL Server in Windows authentication mode, I have to click over here and SQL Server in Windows authentication mode, and then I have to click on OK. So over here it says that some of the configuration changes will not take effect until SQL Server is started. So let me restart it again, and I have closed it. Then I have to open SQL Server again, and let's see if we are able to connect with the new user in SQL Server. So let's wait and let's see. Hope you're getting some new things, new stuff. So over here, let me connect with the new user that I have created, and that is Wukar. Let me give it password. Remember the password and trust server to certificate, and let's connect with it. So it says that a connection was successfully established with the server, but the error acted during the login process. So what we have to do, we have to make one another adjustment. And what is that? Uh, we can click over here and go to the SQL Server configuration console. And from here, we have to restart its service. So let's come over here and uh, refresh it. Okay, so over here we have to restart it once more, and hopefully we will be able to connect. And let's wait for some time. The service is starting again. Now the service is successfully started. Now let's have a look at if we are able to connect with the new user. And oh, okay, so over here this user asks for new passwords and then confirm passwords. So we can give it a new password. And why it's asked? Because by default, whenever the administrator created a password, then after some time during the creation of user, as you can see over here, there is a checkbox actually in which it says the user must change password at next login and enforce password expiration. So if we uncheck it, so it will never ask for new password and confirm password. And that's it from my side. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.